Hello friends. When you go for buying a mobile, you definitely ask for its configuration. As it is already mentioned on the packaging box, and by understanding the configuration, you can very well understand the functions and compatibility of the mobile. Like what all applications your mobile can perform, what is the RAM of your mobile, etc. But what about the configuration of your brain? Do you also know about the configuration of your brain like you know about your mobile, and what all areas are more strong in your brain? The more you know about the potential of your brain, the more you are able to achieve in life through it. So do you know any tool or process to know about your brain configuration or map? नहीं ना? चलो कोई बात नहीं, ये सब आप जान सकते हैं DMIT से. DMIT को डर्मेटोग्राफिक्स मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट भी कहते हैं. क्या आप जानते हैं कि fingerprints have a direct relation with your brain? We can know a lot about our innate qualities by studying fingerprints scientifically. हमारे fingerprints हमारे पैदा होने से पहले ही बन जाते हैं और जब तक हम जिंदा हैं तब तक fingerprints भी हमारे साथ होते हैं. आपको तो पता ही होगा कि दो लोगों के fingerprints कभी भी एक जैसे नहीं हो सकते. So this makes the study and the findings unique and interesting. Several research papers have been published validating these findings. Fingerprints are developed between 13th to the 21st weeks during the gestation period along with the development of the brain. Derma means skin and glyphics means curves. When these curves come together, they make patterns and these patterns make fingerprints. So the study of dermatoglyphics is the study of the pattern on fingers. These patterns are unique, are closely linked with one's genetic composition and nervous system. Our brain is having 100 billion neurons, which create a dense network for carrying and forwarding information and processing them. It makes our brain 1,000 times more powerful than any supercomputer. This dense neural connection is distributed in the left and the right hemispheres of human brain and then in the prefrontal, frontal, parietal, temporal and occipital lobes. The distribution of neurons in the human brain is directly correlated with their genetical information. The network is further extended in the spinal cord to form the central nervous system from the spinal cord. The neurons spread in the entire body and stop at the end of the two terminal ends of your body, that is the fingers and the toes. So the patterns we see on our fingers and toes are directly correlated with the neural network of human brain, and discovering the mystery about this neural distribution can help us to understand who we are. How does DMIT help us? Every human is born with some or the other inborn potential which is used to acquire knowledge and information, which in turn is processed by the brain to acquire intelligence. DMIT report, along with our dedicated discussion sessions with parents to understand their children in a scientific manner. Brain Gurukul's DMIT report includes identifying individuals' inborn strength and limitations, understanding individuals' personality and behavior, understanding the distribution of 10 multiple intelligences also called as powers, understanding what is required, motivation or planning, knowing the hemisphere of the brain which is more dominant, knowing the most effective acquiring and learning style, measurement of one's various quotients, that is IQ, EQ, CQ and AQ, and ultimately knowing about your perfect parenting style for your loving kid and even for yourself, and a lot more. तो जरा सोचिए, आप किसी पर्टिकुलर डेस्टिनेशन पर जाना चाहते हो और आपके पास मैप भी है, तो आपका कितना टाइम सेव होगा और शायद पैसे भी. और वैसे भी आजकल नेविगेशन का जमाना है, तो उसी तरह आपकी लाइफ से भी सही डेस्टिनेशन तक जाने के लिए DMIT आपको कितना हेल्प करेगा. तो देर किस बात की, जॉइन इंडियाज लीडिंग ब्रेन एनरिचमेंट अकेडमी, ब्रेन गुरुकुल्स DMIT प्रोग्राम.